Imagine a video so real it could fool anyone. That's the power of deepfakes. These aren't just clever edits. They're created using artificial intelligence. Think of it like this. You feed a computer program thousands of pictures and videos of a person. The program learns their every feature, their every expression. Then it can generate new footage of that person doing or saying anything you want. It's like having a Hollywood special effects team in your pocket, except anyone can use it. And you know, it's getting more sophisticated every day. Early deepfakes were easier to spot. They might have had glitches like unnatural blinking or blurry edges. Now, they're becoming disturbingly realistic. Can you tell which one is real? Take the 2024 US elections. A deepfake robocall impersonated President Biden, urging voters to stay home. Imagine getting that call. Wouldn't you question if it was real? This example shows how deepfakes can directly interfere with democracy, and it's not just happening in politics. Honestly, think about the implications for businesses, relationships, even personal safety. The reach of this technology is, well, much broader than we might realize. The real danger of deepfakes lies in their potential to spread misinformation. We've already seen how they can manipulate elections, which is pretty alarming. But the problem goes much deeper. Imagine a world where you can't trust anything you see or hear online, where videos of celebrities, politicians, even your loved ones could be completely fabricated. This erosion of trust has, some really serious consequences. If we can't agree on what's real, how can we have meaningful discussions about important issues? How can we hold people accountable for their actions? This uncertainty can paralyze action, breed cynicism, and ultimately undermine the very fabric of our society. The information overload makes it, honestly, really difficult to discern truth from fiction. Deepfakes thrive in our current information ecosystem. We're bombarded with news from countless sources, and well, much of it is unverified. This makes it easier for deepfakes to slip through the cracks and go viral. And once something is shared online, it can be almost impossible to erase, even if it's proven false. The good news is, we're not powerless against this threat. Technologists are developing tools to detect deepfakes. These tools look for subtle inconsistencies that the human eye might miss, like unnatural skin textures or lighting anomalies. However, as deepfake technology advances, so too must our detection methods. It's a constant arms race. But technology alone isn't enough. We also need to equip ourselves with media literacy skills. This means, learning how to critically evaluate information online. Who created it? What's their agenda? What other sources are reporting on this? Asking these questions can help us separate fact from fiction. Asking critical questions is key to navigating the digital world. Just as we teach children to be wary of strangers online, we need to teach them to be skeptical consumers of digital media. This includes understanding how algorithms work, identifying bias, and recognizing the tactics of manipulation. It's really about empowering individuals to become their own fact-checkers, to think critically about the information they encounter.